Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how you can insert or add background in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to Capcut and we're going to insert a background to this video. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the video like this, and we have to remove the background of this video first. So just scroll all the way to the right until you find Capcut option to remove the background, and just tap on remove background. And alright, now the background has been removed, and we can click on this check mark button and then tap on this button, and after that we can tap on this button again. Alright, and just click on canvas. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find canvas, and since we want to add background or insert background, we can click on add background option right here. Then select the background that you like, and you can also choose the background. You can import a photo for your background. You can click on this photo button to choose the background from the gallery. Alright, and I'm just going to choose, wait guys, I'm going to choose this background, to choose this photo for my background. Just tap on the photo. Alright, and now the background has been changed, and you can also choose the background or pick the background that Capcut has provided for us. You can scroll to the right like this to find the background that you like. Alright guys, after that we can click on this check mark, and let's see the result by playing the video. Okay guys, that's how we can insert background in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.